Here's a little 80s classic, a unique, especially in classics. 1983 Chevrolet Carlo, 5-liter, 305 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Now this particular paint, not stock factory white. It does have kind of a light flake to it. I don't know if I can get it to show up. There you go. There you can kind of see it. Got a little show car look to it, a little flake in there. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Take a peek up and down passenger side of this car. See the two-tone light, I guess a gray blue with white highlights, cloth vinyl blend, split bench seat. Now we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, you want to see those underside pics, trunk, engine bay pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's a picture of the cowl tag or the data tag for this particular car. I want to see exactly how it was equipped from GM. I should say Chevrolet when it left the factory. You can sure do that. Be a picture of the VIN number. There's also some miscellaneous manuals, brochures that would have went with this car new that are still with it. You can see those in the pictures. Power window, power lock car. Looks like original door panels. Power driver's side split bench anyway. Get a peek at the headliner. No, odometer reads 66,729. Once the car becomes a certain age, just marked exempt in the title, so I can't confirm or deny that as far as actual. Believed to be actual. There's no readings above that on the Carfax or anything. No accidents indicated on the Carfax either. Technicians state AC blows cold, and it felt like a little bit was on there. Take a look at your gauge cluster. Obviously, dash cover on it. Should be still pictures underneath that, I would guess. There's some cracks right there. FYI, right where the cover was put on. Monte Carlo insignia on the dash. Slip around to the back. Sounds like a little engine work was done to that. A little bit of a cam. Got kind of a rumble coming out of 305. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood pop, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the hood popped. Clean, good condition hood liner. There's a V8. Pretty stock looking engine bay. Kind of tough to tell if that's got a little cam to it or not. A slow rumble, maybe it's exhaust. That engine's looking pretty smooth right there. AC has been converted. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's just low idle and exhaust. A little of that rumble. 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.